Right, Dom here from Essential RC, and we're about to do a little short test flight of the Dancing Wings, the DW Hobby Savage Bobber, 1.88 meter wingspan. Put this together. ARTF comes in a kit, but there's quite a bit of work to do because it is like a traditional, as we've called it in the past, an ARF, almost ready to fly, but there is quite a bit of work to do. But goes together quite nicely. Flies on a 4S4000 pack, which I've got just under that plate there for the CG, which is 11 centimeters from the leading edge of the wing. But what I also have is FPV. This is the Caddx Walksnail system with the Goggles L. So if my man here, Trevor, moves his head, you can see it moving on the gimbal. So if I get it in the air, then he is going to get a pilot's eye view. So here we go. Ready, Trev?
Yeah.
Yeah. No. No power. You still got the view?
Yeah.
And upside down?
No, you're level.
So, lost all power. And it's beeping. Just lost the dummy engine cover, so no harm done. Alright, so recovered, no damage. And I've throttle calibrated. Maybe that was the problem. Was that why I ran out of power? Anyway, it took off nice and level, so let's try again. All good, Trev?
Yeah.
Looking left and right?
Yeah, you got really good view.
Good view?
Yeah.
So I needed...
Visibility is amazing.
Down trim was needed. Bit of right trim needed. Bit of down trim needed. That is hands off, still climbing a little bit, and pretty much all good. Couple of clicks of right trim. Good pilot view, Trev?
Yeah, perfect.
Bit of altitude now. Using rudder, coordinated turns. Can you turn right round and look backwards as well, Trevor?
Yeah. Oh yeah, that's quite cool. All the open fuselage.
Right, one more pass and I'll land. You can look to your left and you can see us. You wave to yourself. Coming down the middle of the strip. There we are on the right. Oh, okay, I was coming in as well. There's a crosswind coming in from the bottom corner. Is that okay? Are you coming downhill? Well, the wind is cross. Don't think it makes a difference.
It does with mine.
Alright, if you could taxi off to the edge,
Yeah, no worries.
and I'm coming in. Here we go. Nice! And that was without flaps. How was that, Trev?
That was really good. I'll tell you where it's all open sort of fuselage, the view's amazing.
Because you can look backwards through the fuselage.
Yeah, just be able to look right down at the ground. It makes a massive difference when you're trying to get your orientation. So it makes it so much easier, I think. If you get lost, you can quickly pan around and see where the flying site
Brilliant.
is. Yeah.
All right,
really
so
good.
I think with FPV models, it's always a good idea to do kind of a spectator or a second pilot wear the goggles while you fly it and trim it out for the first time. But it's all trimmed out now,
Yeah.
so I'm confident to have a go myself.
Yeah, you're going to have loads of fun with that.
Yeah, so second video, we'll put a second pack in and I'll fly FPV and we'll do a bit of exploring. Thanks for watching, and thanks to Trev for being my guinea pig.
That's all right.
See you next time. Bye.
Adios. That's really cool, actually.
Very cool.
Yeah. Yeah, you're going to like that.